Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add captions in Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically now, all we need to do is to start a project in Filmora. And to do so, we need just to go to Files. And from here, you can click on your projects and then you choose like the aspect ratio or the templates that you would like. And now, all you will need to do is to add uh, or to import content. So in my case, I'm just going to use whatever, and let's go for this. And basically now, all you will be needing to do is to go and add the captions or text. So basically here you will have many things. So this is the title, transition, effects, filters, etc. But the one or the tools that we would like is to has to do with captions uh, or with subtitles. And basically to add them, you would really then like to go to the AI tools. And for the AI tools, you would find them here in this bar. As you can see, you will have many AI tracking tools, for example, like motion tracking, speech to text, AI translation, etc. And basically the one that we want to use is uh, the text to speech or speech to text, and this will add your audio to subtitles. And basically by that, you will need just to click on add automatic active words. You choose whatever you like, so either the entire time space or just type, and you choose the language from here, and you don't want it to be translated to anything, and you will need just to click on generate. You will need to log in into your account, and after that you will be able to generate your subtitles or captions. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.